Okay, so for now I'm going to talk about proportions. So one thing about proportions, if three sides of one triangle are proportional to the three sides of another triangle, then the triangles are similar. So a good example of this would be this right here. I don't know if you can see that or not, so we'll just zoom in right there. So that'd be proportional, right? So what you have here is you have 4 on this side and 8 over here. Since 8 is double of 4, these two sides are proportional, since they're doubled. Then you have 2 and 4 over here, which makes them proportional, and 5 and 10 over here. So these two triangles are similar, since all three sides are proportional. Another way to find out if a triangle is proportional is if two sides of one triangle are proportional to two sides of another triangle, and the included angles are congruent, and the triangles are similar. So say you didn't have this side, so 5 and 10 are gone. So you had 2 and 4, and then you had 8 and 4. Well, since these two sides right here are proportional to these two sides, and if you knew these two angles were the same, that means that these two sides would also have to be similar, which makes it proportional. Which is an easy way to find out how the triangle works. Another thing that proportions are able to be used for is for finding surface area and volume of triangles. Say if the ratio of any linear measurement of an angle is m over n, right? To find the area would be m squared over n squared, and to find the volume would be m cubed over n cubed. So a good example of this would be, say you had two triangles, and this side was 5 centimeters, and then the larger triangle would be over here would be 8 centimeters. To find the area for linear, it would be 5 over 8. To find it cubed, you'd have to have it squared, so it'd be 25 over 64. And to find the volume, you have to cube it. So 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. And then 8 times 8 times 8, that's 64 times 8, that's 64 times 8, shit. 8 times 6 is 48, 8 times 4 is 8 times 4 is 32, 512. It'd be 512, showing that would be the volume of it, and you were able to find that out because of proportions. So let's go over a few examples. So, say for, how do I do that one? We'll do this one, okay? So this one, it gives you two sides, it gives you 12, and it'll give you 6 for the linear. So to find the area, you'd have to cube it. So 12 times 12 is 144 over 6 times 6 would be 36. So it would be 144 over 66. And then that would be the area. That is what's amazing about proportions.